In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team in Manychat. Let's dive in and walk through these steps to make sure you're set up and running smoothly. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to manychat.com. If you're not already familiar with Manychat, it's a powerful tool for automating your conversations with customers on platforms like Facebook Messenger. Whether you're a business owner or part of a team handling customer interactions, Manychat can help increase efficiency and engagement. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the Login option. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. By accessing your Manychat account, you're entering a space where you can manage various aspects of your interactions, including your team's setup. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Manychat dashboard. This is the control hub for all your chatbot activities and settings. Focus your eye on the left-hand side where you'll find a menu. Here, you want to locate a tiny gear icon. This icon represents your settings, and that's where we need to go to add new team members. Inside the settings, you'll see a variety of options, one of which is the Team Members button. Clicking this will bring you directly to a page with all the current members of your Manychat account. This section is where you can manage roles, add new members, or make any necessary adjustments to your team. To add a new member, look for a button labeled Invite New Member. A quick click will bring up an interface where you can start the invitation process. Now, these roles are important because they define what kind of access and responsibilities each team member will have. While selecting a role, you'll see options like Viewer, Live Chat Agent, Editor, and Admin. Choose the role that best fits the responsibilities of the person you are inviting. After choosing a role, click on the Generate a Link button. Manychat will generate a unique invitation link that you'll need to send to your potential new team member. You can easily copy this link from the interface. It's often best to share this link through platforms your team regularly uses, such as email, Slack, or even text message, ensuring the recipient notices it promptly. Finally, make sure the person you've invited knows how to accept the invitation. They will need to click on the link, log into Manychat if they haven't already, and then simply click Join to finalize the process. With this step, your new team member will seamlessly join your Manychat account, and you'll be ready to take on conversations together. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've expanded your Manychat team, setting the stage for more collaborative and effective communication. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!